I have experience with this. This is why I can speak about this, okay? Do you know how many lawyers came to me and wanted me to sue my family? And every time I said, no, I'm not going to sue my family. And you want to know why? Because I knew that those lawyers were the ones who wanted to keep it going because they knew that the family business was still going and that there was money there. But the problem wasn't with the family. It was with the lawyers and it was with the law firm, okay? These are my sliving gloves. Thanks, Paris Hilton, for bringing that to light. But in any event, the judge is who rules on the evidence, okay? So those lawyers bank on you not knowing the law. That's why I'm like, Brittany girl, I'm telling you, before you go broke, okay? You've got to get your head in the game. The lawyers need to be held accountable for what it is that they're doing. The lawyers have fiduciary duty to their client. Like in my book, Shattered Windows, that lawyer who did that to my dad was a diabetic. He should have been seeing a doctor every week or at the bare minimum every 2 weeks. And this lawyer wasn't even allowing my dad to go to the doctor for a whole year. Somebody with severe type 2 diabetes. He was completely spewing his narrative, okay, bilking my family and the family business for millions of dollars for his gain, okay? And yeah, it was a tragic loss, but I'm not going to keep it going. The only person that's responsible for my financial losses is the man behind the curtain, that lawyer. And at the end of the day, as we're seeing, it all in the darkness comes to light. That guy is going to be held responsible for what he did, not only to me, but to my siblings, all of them, okay? Financial loss upon financial loss upon financial loss, okay? And in my book, you'll see that the judge can only rule on the evidence that's presented to him in court. Well, the lawyers kept all the evidence out of court, okay? So at the end of the day, he breached his fiduciary duty, and that is going to come out. May not be today, may not be tomorrow, but I don't think it's very far off. I mean, Brittany's case is a big example that people need to be aware that you have to save yourself. You have to put your nose to the grindstone. You've got to learn the law. You got to know your rights, and you got to know when you're right, and then you got to fight, okay? Not just sit on the sidelines and wait for somebody else to do it for you. Oh, they'll do it for you, but it's going to cost you a whole lot of money. So get smart, get healthy, and get going in the right direction. Save yourself.